So let's talk about search engine marketing. You would hear this term a lot when you are doing research on digital marketing. This basically means any type of marketing activity which relates to your website listed in a search engine. So here I will take an example with Google, as this one is quite popular. You probably use Google every day. However, there are some parts of the world which have other search engines which are most popular, like Yahoo, Bing, Baidu, Yandex. There are many, but they all work in the same principle pretty much. Google is a little bit more advanced ahead of the others, but you will see pretty much the same procedure when it comes to advertising and marketing. So I would advise you to even do the same example on your own. Just take your search engine, whichever you're using, and type in some kind of object, something that you would search for in order to buy online. So in this case, I'm searching for vacuum storage bags. So something really simple. Normally, I would search for something like this to show because they get a lot of advertisement. You will be surprised. So when I'm talking about organic search, these are all the results which come up naturally. These are all the websites which Google thinks are relevant to your search. So they haven't paid anything for them to be on this position. It's purely because they are optimized. They are search engine optimized. So search engine optimization, or SEO, this is a way of web building or tweaking your website so that it shows up in the results of Google and it's considered a trusted, relevant website by the search engine. So here you can see these results are coming from Argos. So you can see they have in the title, this is a title which they write themselves, vacuum storage bag. So they have the name of this query, they have the exact query in the title. Then you can see that they have it in the URL. So they have tweaked their URL to have this precise keyword in, which makes it even more relevant. And you can see they have it also here in the copy, vacuum storage bags. If we click on this link, we are most likely to come up to a designated landing page, which is selling only this product. And this is the ideal case. This is what Google would take into consideration as something really relevant. It just takes to the customer in just a matter of minutes to the product that they're looking for, and it's likely to result into a conversion. Um, so this is how this works. If you are not familiar with SEO, you can have a look into a lot of websites like Moz, for example. They provide a lot of free basic training for SEO. Or if you are using a WordPress website, you can just search for a plugin. They have a lot of free plugins for SEO that you can use and you can start optimizing your website. Um, if you are interested in paid search, these are the ads that appear above the organic results. So these are actually paid advertisements. So how this works is that if you, let's say, offer vacuum storage bags, you would like to bid for this query. So let's say vacuum storage bag, the whole phrase, is considered a keyword. This is the term in paid search. So let's say you want this keyword, you want to appear when people are searching on this keyword, and you would like to bid up to $5 per click. So every time someone clicks on this website, you would like people to actually click on your ad, and you will be charged maximum $5, but usually less than that. How it works is it's an auction, so there are different advertisers. They're all bidding on the same keyword. Let's say in this case, vacuum storage bags, and they have different bids. So someone is bidding 5, someone is bidding 4, and Google will select the one which has the most relevant ad and the kind of relatively high bid. So it is actually an algorithm which takes into consideration uh, mostly the relevancy of the ad, how appealing the ad is, what's the landing page experience, how relevant it is to the search query, and then it will select this ad and show it instead of another one. In some cases, it would show many ads. Actually, in this case, you can see that you have a whole line of Google inventory ads, which are coming on top. This is very likely to be seen when it comes to e-commerces. These are simply similar Google AdWords ads, just like the one that's in red, which is a text ad, but they have an image. But they work exactly the same way. People are basically bidding on certain keywords, and Google finds them more relevant to the search query. They're likely to provide precisely what the person is looking for, and therefore it selects them to be displayed. So if someone clicks on this ad by Amazon, for example, Amazon will be charged by Google depending on their bid and depending on their competition, but they would always pay no more than the maximum bid that they have set. Um, there are other ways that also help Google determine which ads to display first. So as you can see, Amazon has a 4.8 star review, which is generated as an extension to this ad. It has certain site links, so links to certain sections of the website, which might also relate to what the person is looking for. So all this makes the ad really appealing, really easy for the customer to interact with, and therefore it gets selected to appear on the top. As I would say, paid search is more pricey option when it comes to traffic generation. Of course, it depends on your competition, depends on which part of the world you are in. There are countries where competition is really high, like North America, for example, and there are regions where the competition is not so high, like India, Southeast Asia, where people can advertise for literally pennies, depending on their ad and their search queries. But I would like to focus on the more affordable options. So I would focus more on social media and precisely organic social media in the next lectures. However, if you are interested in paid search, you can find a lot of really great information on my blog, where I post more technical articles, or you can go on Google AdWords website, where they have fantastic free information, videos, all kind of materials, and you can get introduced to this type of marketing. So see you in the next lecture.